Today we are going to analyze one of the most popular reality TV stars, Safa Siddiqui from Dubai playing. Her DOB is 6 August 1988, making her ruled by Venus number 6 directly, and 4 is the total for date of birth. Okay, let's put her numbers in the Vedic grid and then we'll see the combinations which we'll use for her personality analysis. She's an extremely good looking and an attractive personality who will also make an effort for the same. She is a glamorous diva type of person. Now, on the show, they keep saying that she's gold digger. No, 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 no. She is a very family oriented person. Family comes first for her. By the way, her chart shows that she is going to be a rich person by hook or crook. Basically, her money can also come from unconventional sources like social media, beauty, glamour, even crypto, or taking her businesses abroad or having some foreign connection is going to be very beneficial. Now let's come to our favorite person, Fahad Jijo. So her chart actually shows that marrying someone from a very different culture background or someone from abroad would be very good for her, and it's very good that she's married to a mature man. A person who would not be mature would not have been good for her, and this relationship, so far from the chart it shows that she needs to be in a relationship all the time. It's a priority for her. So there was a sequence on the show which showed that she's really over possessive. Is it true or was it scripted? I think it was not scripted. She can be very possessive with people that she loves and she can even get into a fight. She's a Leo sign, don't forget, by the way. And she can also get really, really jealous. So yeah, I think she is very possessive about Fahad in real life too. One issue that I see Safa suffering from can be skin issues or gynae issues. So be careful about it. Another issue can be in daily life where her planning is actually more than the execution. So be mindful about it and work on it. That's it. It's a small thing. Apart from that, we see immense success for her after the age of 35, and she's already in her 37th year, so yay. Her savings may be a bit less, but there's no need to worry because she's always gonna be rich. Okay, we think she is an extremely creative person who must be very good at either singing, dancing, and some form of painting. She is also a distracted personality at times. Our recommendation would be to just add an extra F to your name, Safa, and it'll do you lots of wonders. We love you.